Hey, how you all doing? My name is moddog, aka moddog. Um, Basically, I don't do too many videos, but as I've been searching around on YouTube, I've noticed that the 3.1 firmware jailbreaking for the iPhone 3G, not the 3GS, is quite confusing for a lot of people. Um, Initially, when I first did it, yes, I was a little bit confused also, but once you read and understand some stuff, things work out for you pretty well. Now I have noticed there's a lot of people out there having a problem with the jailbreak for the 3G with the 3.1 firmware, and what they're having a problem with is actually getting it to work without error code 1604. With the error codes, in regards to the error codes, if you are one of the people who is getting error code 1600 or 1604 or whatever the error actually is, anyway, 1600 errors. We'll call it the 1600 blues from here on out. Anyway, there's a program out there called I Hate Snow, and it's spelled lowercase I, capital H, number 8, and the word snow, all one word, I Hate Snow. Anyway, what this program does is it allows you to open up iTunes manually rather than having iTunes automatically open up when you plug your iPhone in or your iPod. Now note, this is the iPhone 3G, not the 3GS, folks. Anyway, back with I Hate Snow. Obviously, you've already downloaded your firmware. You've already tried to shift click. You've already gotten a 1600 error because you're watching this. Anyway, I'm not going to go and show you step by step exactly how to do it, but I will let you know that there is certain steps that you have to take. Number one being, go download I Hate Snow if you're getting the 1604 error. Look at my profile or look at my comments on other things. Look for moddog, M-O-D-D-O-G, all one word. I have one post in my profile, and it is the link to get that program. Now, when you launch this program, obviously you download it, you launch it, and you'll notice that every time you plug your iPhone in and you try to do it, you still get the same errors. Why? Because you have to launch iTunes through I Hate Snow. What I mean by that is you have to go and hit Control, Shift, and Escape. Brings up your task manager. You go into your processes, alphabetize them, go down to the I's, end process iTunes. Simple as that. Click OK. Back you go. Launch iTunes through I Hate Snow. Right? Pretty simple. Shift click restore. Pick your or navigate to your firmware, and everything should be okay. As long as you're putting your phone into the DFU mode properly. If you don't know how to put your phone into DFU mode properly, and I'm not harping on anybody because let me tell you, it took me 3 times to get my phone into the proper DFU mode. Now some people are saying that the screen has to be black. Unfortunately, mine stayed white. Mine stayed white for approximately 45 minutes because I waited and waited and waited for it to go black. It didn't, so I said, what have I got to lose? And it worked. Worked fine. I do have 3.1 firmware on a 3G iPhone, not a 3GS. I do run Cydia. I do run Winterboard. I have got oodles of stuff that I shouldn't have. But anyway, open up your task manager. End your iTunes process. Launch I Hate Snow. Launch iTunes through I Hate Snow. Shift click restore. Navigate to your hacked firmware. Start the process. Be sure you're in DFU mode. DFU, don't fuck up mode. Worst case scenario, you lose your contacts. As long as you back up your phone before you do this, all you got to do is go to a regular restore, not shift click, but a regular restore. My iPhone's actually called moddog, so when I open up iTunes it says moddog, and when I go to the restore button and the little drop down box, it's got restore from backup mod guide. I did that, boom, I got all my contacts back. I still have access to Cydia, Icy, you name it, Winterboard, everything. It didn't delete the hack. Anyway, I guess that's about it. Peace, y'all. Going to have a hoot.